Thanks for tuning in. Today we will be discussing the carnation flower. The carnation, scientifically known as Dianthus caryophyllus, is a captivating flower that has been cherished for centuries. With its ruffled petals and enchanting fragrance, the carnation holds a special place in floral arrangements and bouquets. Carnations are available in a wide range of colors, including vibrant reds, soft pinks, and pristine whites. Each hue carries its own symbolic meaning, with red representing love and admiration, pink symbolizing gratitude and affection, and white embodying purity and luck. These versatile flowers are not only admired for their aesthetic appeal but also valued for their long-lasting nature. Carnations have a remarkable ability to retain their freshness, allowing them to be enjoyed for an extended period. Carnations are often associated with significant occasions and celebrations, such as weddings, anniversaries, and Mother's Day. They have become a traditional gift to express love, appreciation, and heartfelt sentiments. In addition to their beauty, carnations hold cultural significance in various societies. They have been featured in folklore, poems, and artistic works, further enhancing their allure and charm. Embrace the timeless elegance of carnations and let their exquisite blooms adorn your living spaces. Whether gifted to a loved one or used to create stunning floral arrangements, carnations radiate love, beauty, and enduring affection. Links for carnation flowers can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.